our company has roots going back to the early 1900s. It started out as Larson Ladder Company, and then around the mid-century became Larson Pallet Company, and then moved to its current location in 1979. But the company, as it's currently constituted, was formed in 1968. So we have almost half a century of experience and longevity in the industry since approximately 1968. Ownership changed in late 2001, and we've been moving forward since then. So that longevity and our name in the industry certainly gives us some reputational benefits and some branding, if you will. Everybody knows Larson Packaging Company and our antecedents. And we have a very good reputation for quality and professionalism and being able to work with our customers very well. Yeah, over the last couple of years, and certainly the last few recessions that we've had, quite a few of our competitors or other suppliers have either been acquired by other competitors or have fallen by the wayside or declared bankruptcy. And I think that the longevity of our company demonstrates to our customers that we're in it for the long haul, one, and second, that we're a solid player and survivor. Many of our competitors are, frankly, guys in a pickup truck or, 6 guys in a little warehouse, and they may be around now. They can buy materials, they can source materials, they have hand tools, and they can handle some low volume requirements, and they might be able to help a customer for now, but will they make it through the next recession? Are they there when the volume ramps up and they need cash flow to pay for materials and things like that? It hasn't proven to be the case. And I guess the other thing I'd mention is, I've been in the industry since late 2001, and many of our people have been in the industry even longer than that, and certainly have the skills and educational background to understand packaging. But the longevity gives us a base of knowledge and experience that essentially we've seen everything. I mean, we know what the supply chain is going to be like. We know what works and what doesn't work. We've seen things that have been tried and haven't worked. Yet we're also very open and creative about coming up with new solutions that maybe haven't been tried. So we don't have the not invented here syndrome. We don't have the, oh, that never works kind of thing. We like to try new things, but we also know what's feasible and what isn't. And we also understand better our customer requirements in terms of what they're shipping, how they're shipping, what the different modes of transportation might be, how the supply chain works, the damage forklift drivers can cause to your products, and how to, frankly, how to overcome some of that. So the experience has given, and the longevity of the company and the experience has really given us not necessarily even experience to be able to design things better, but just the practicality that I think new people in the industry or sometimes folks that come from outside of the industry might have an idea that sounds great on paper. For example, we had done some work with some new players in the solar industry, but their engineers were trying to design packaging, and the way they were thinking about it from an engineering perspective had nothing to do with how things would actually ship and how they would work, and was impractical from a manufacturing standpoint. And ultimately we were helpful in overcoming some of that and creating new designs.